national leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. He has alleged that government is not letting the LUP to meet, they are not letting the foreign heads to meet the LUP of our country. He said that he doesn't know why they are in fear, but the BJP is attacking Rahul Gandhi, saying that why he is telling this lie. He is completely insulting the country by doing this kind of act. This is the official stand taken by the BJP MP, Sambit Patra, and one of the MP, Ganga Ranawat, is saying that he should not equate himself to Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Lal Krishna Advani. They are stalwarts. They were pro-national people, not anti-national. And if he want to be in the race, he should join BJP. How do you see?
See, one thing I want to tell to either Kangana Ranaut or Sambit Patra, whoever has spoken about leader of opposition, irrelevant of the political parties which stay in power or out of power, we have a culture, and across the globe have a culture to invite the leader of opposition to attend these sort of delegations, because politics is only before elections. Politics after elections, when it comes to the development or when it comes to the perception building of the country, they have to take everybody into consideration. It was happening for years in the past. This is not new. This was happened during our the post-independence in India. N number of governments, even Congress has ruled most of the time, but we have never treated the leader of oppositions or any other political outfit which is existing in such a way what they are treating now. Their goal is only to make sure to, create some confusion among the people and to defame our leaders by talking anti-nationals. We are trying to ask everything on the floor, outside the floor. Our questions are not anti-national. Our questions are pro-development. Our questions are on pollution. Our questions are on saving democracy. So whenever we ask something which they are not able to answer or deliver, they are trying to project our leaders in this manner.